Hi everyone, today we're going to be unboxing the Hoover Pro Pet Swivel Bagless Upright. This is one of Hoover's newer machines. It has their Max Life system, which is a large filter that's able to hold more dust before you have to clean it, which helps when you have a large amount of dust and dirt to clean up so it doesn't clog immediately. So this right here is some sort of bracket with a nice dusting brush, very soft. We have this rubberized pet tool. I smell something weird. And there's a crevice tool stuck in here, right there. We have a tube, metal tube with a little lock right here, and it's wrapped in tons of packaging. There we go. Goodness gracious. Here's the cord. So to assemble the machine, oh goodness gracious, there's more. But wait,
but I'm
there's
still
more.
not done.
God, get off. Jeez, there we go. There. Right there. I'm going to take a guess that this goes. Oh, there we go. That was pretty easy. Right there. So we have a couple of attachments. Dusting brush. This tool. Doesn't look like there's a spot on the machine for this right here. There's not. There's a tool holder here and a tool holder here. So this tool will just have to sit somewhere else. A little bit annoying that it doesn't have a tool location on the machine for the crevice tool, but I guess it's not the end of the world. Cord hook. So we do have suction adjustment on the handle right here. Right here on this little dial, you just turn it like that. So Hoover's Max Life system, I'll show that in just a minute. Right around over here, pull right here, you can see this filter. This is a large sponge filter. This is see, it has this inner piece right here and this outer piece right here. Then the motor is down there. And if I remember correctly, there should be another filter inside of here, and it's behind this door right here. It says sealed allergen system. Yeah, it's right here. It's right behind this door right in here. The fit is very tight, so it should keep a pretty good seal. I doubt it's as good as something like a Dyson, but I'm sure it's not bad. But overall, this looks like a pretty, well, actually, let's check the brush roll as well. I almost forgot to show that. There's a few more things. So we have stiff bristles for carpet, softer bristles for hard floors. Yes, you can turn the brush roll off. There's a switch right up here. Right there. You have a large dirt bin, multi-cyclonic, if you can see in there. can see the cyclones. Of course, this comes out with a twist. And now you can clean this on the inside. I believe you can get farther access like this. And I don't really see the reason for this to come off when you still can't get to it anyway. There we go. Not bad, not bad. So overall, looks like a pretty nice vacuum. Stay tuned because the test video will be coming very shortly. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the Hoover Pro Pet Swivel Upright Vacuum. Looks like a pretty nice machine. And I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.